Kung Fu Kings.
Hoo-yah! Woo-yah! Hoo-wah!
Animals that pack a punch or a kick. Our first fighter is the kangaroo. Kangaroos have great big biceps they use to slap and box each other for dominance, where the strongest muscles decide the winner. But keep an eye on those feet because kangaroos are skilled kickboxers.
Hi-yah!
They can kick with 750 pounds or 340 kilograms of force, which is 4 times their own weight. Stepping into the ring next are zebras. A well-placed zebra's kick can be deadly to other zebras and predators. Zebras usually fight amongst each other for females or territory, but also team up to fend off predators like lions, hyenas, and cheetahs. They even coordinate a semicircle formation against the predator. Time for a heavyweight champion of the sea, the mantis shrimp. Surprisingly, one of the fastest punches in the animal world belongs to the mantis shrimp. Not just fast, but shockingly powerful too. In fact, their punch is as powerful as a bullet.
Oh! 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 Is that?
They've broken aquarium glass with a single hit, as they can generate a force nearly 2,500 times their body weight in less than 800 microseconds. That's all for this video. See you next time.